support the team. Can't take direction and my socks are never clean. Teachers dated me, my parents hated me. I was always in a fight cause I can't do nothing right. Every day I fight a war against the mirror. I can't take the person staring back at me. I'm a hazard to myself. Don't let me get me. I'm my own worst enemy. It's bad when you annoy yourself. So irritating. Don't wanna be my friend no more. I wanna be somebody else. They told me you'll be a part